Alright, well, it's Tuesday the 14th. Good morning. We had to confine Miss Escher to a hospital cage. You can see her panting kind of heavily and straining a little. We don't see any real evidence that she's pooped. She may have an obstruction. So we'll have to call the vet and see what we can do about her. She could also be straining to lay a very large egg. Her idiot husband wouldn't let her stay in any of their nest boxes. He kept getting excited and going into the chase portion of wooing her. And anytime she'd stop and lean over like this, he'd try to tread her. And once she got down on the floor, so did every other cock. So she's confined to the hospital cage so that she can have some peace and not be harried by her idiot and every other cock in the loft. Now that will push her idiot to the top of the retirement list if he can't figure out what to do with a lady. Especially if his inability to figure out what to do with a lady puts her in danger. He'll make someone a fantastic pet, but I'd rather this not happen to another hen. Yeah, I know, you're the biggest and the baddest. Hey, Hagrid. Emilio, you have your own food. Over there. Grant you Ellie is over there right now, and she'll fight you. But food is available to you. And there he goes. That's Puddin' on my shoulder arguing with Hagrid. Hey, Cody. So that's 3 vying for the top now. Hagrid launching off kicked up some sand into my eye. Ooh, look at that walk. Yeah. Yeah, there is definitely some obstruction going on. This is deeply concerning. Sometimes when hens pass a large egg, it can press on a nerve in their pelvis that controls their legs. I know she ate yesterday because there's some spillage around her dish that could only have happened if she got into it. Some spillage on the outside may mean that somebody managed to sneak their feet through the bars. Baby, I'm sorry. I know you want out, but you need to lay that egg and be still. Ooh, she's fighting. We'll give her some more time and see if she can pass it by herself. stressing her sure isn't going to help. And if we can't get her to my vet on time, my regular vet, we may need to run her to Highland if they can see her today. Ooh. Oh, it's uncomfortable looking. She's confined here so that she doesn't try to fly off and so that the boys don't mess with her. I will frankly be shocked if there's not an egg involved in this. I know you want out, baby. I can't let you. Can't let you out. Hagrid, no, you have your own food. Let me assure you guys that this is as upsetting for me to watch as it probably is for you. What she wants is her box up there. But the minute I let her out, this dumbass will chase her and pin her. He'll get her on the ground and then all the other cocks will swarm her. So I need her to stay in there. Looks like she's found herself a comfy spot to strain for now. be silly. Oh. I'm sorely tempted to just briefly show you what'll happen if I let her out. You want to come out? You can come out. Yeah, she can't even get up there to her box. Okay. Yeah, I normally try to let them make the decisions for what I do with them. No, that's a bad spot, baby. That's a bad spot, baby. I'll pick you up gentle. No, I'll pick you up gentle. That's a girl. No, don't fight me. I'll put you right back in your hospital cage. There we go. That's why she's in there. She doesn't like it. She doesn't like to be confined. No pigeon really does. In and of itself, confinement is stressful. They don't like being separated from their mate, but everyone's dispersed now that she's back in there. And if I hadn't let her out just now, it would probably look like she's just stuck in there and panicking. But hopefully that maybe minute and a half of being out will show you why she's confined to the hospital cage. I'm sorry you don't like it, baby. Nobody likes quarantine. Quarantine sucks for everyone. But that's where you're safest right now. I figured it would be less stressful for her to be quarantined here in the loft than to bring her in the house. Oh, poor uncomfortable baby. Oh. I know you want to be in your home box when you pass that. I know you do. I'm sorry your husband is dumb. That's a very uncomfortable hand. See how floofed up she is? None of this is happy floofing. This is distress floof. This is a very, very uncomfortable little bird. She's preening right now, at least partially to self-soothe. So if we hadn't set her up a hospital cage last night, she may have been stressed to death by this morning. Or let me be frank, she may have been harassed to death by this morning. Pigeons are about as horny as they are bright, and it's really easy for them to get wires crossed. Hello, Sony. Hello, Sony. You're sure precious. Do love your little face. Well, right now we have $300 saved that was supposed to go towards getting a new enclosure. But we may have to spend a significant amount, if not all of that, to take care of her veterinary needs. It is what it is, y'all. Residents come first. Alrighty, we're getting close to the 20-minute mark. And after this video, I'll see if we can make her an appointment for some time today, either with my vet or with Highland. One way or another, we'll get her seen to. We'll find out whether or not surgery is going to be required to remove the egg. Or if there's even an egg involved. Anyway, in addition to our clients, adopters, and apprentices, I would like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our patrons on Patreon, the friends of our business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. I'll keep you posted on Escher's condition. And we will convene after I've called the vet for treat time with Peepers.